guys, this is a video of the COBRA TATE Cobra on the dyno. Hit that subscribe button now and hype this video. Make sure you share it. Watch till the end. Boom. Turn up the volume. It is spicy. We did a full build on this car from start to finish. It's got a new 2-litre Pinto, fast road spec in it, big camel, that sort of stuff, twin Weber 45s, absolutely everything is new on the car, electric facet fuel pump as well and everything. Go and check it out. I did a full build on my channel, the COBRA TATE Cobra build. Check it out after watching this full video. Make sure your volume's up, make sure you hit the like button, hype it, and just keep listening, turn the volumes right up. It is wicked, and I'll show you a bit of video driving it too. Whoop. Oh yes, noises like that, right? That is what we live for with these cars. Carburetted 2-litre Pinto. What a sound! Ford boys are gonna be loving this. That is nice! Oh yes! Oh my days!
But my body.
Oh, brilliant! Brilliant!
It's a painful and often violent process.
How are you liking that one? Drop a comment down below right now. I'm not saying you quit, but if you drive an electric car, you've kind of just made your own statement. Just listen to that. That is just pure.
Tu sei un pazzo! Voglio la testa! Ti uccido con questa carne!
Sounds good. What you say? This is about 5,000 here.
Yeah, 5,000's there.
All right, so cool. Proper drive. Fuel
Oh
pump
wow.
on.
What's that
Give it a
noise?
few pumps to pedal. Fuel pump. Now it should start up.
Whoa.
We'll warm up a little bit first. That's reverse.
Oi.
There we go.
Alright, we're on the road. Oh wow, this is cool. This is nice.
Hands so close together.
Yeah?
Try and
Your legs are so close together.
Guys, she absolutely rips.
Oi, oh.
Cool, isn't it? That guy was happy to see.
Yeah? Even the other guy smiled at me.
How would you like it, darling?
Really nice.
Oil pressure's nice. Put some fuel in later. Voltage is nice.
Hi.
Ready?
Nice. Lovely. Wicked. What is it?
Didn't even put that much fuel in. Guys, MOT is completed. Whoop whoop. Love it. Guys, I hope you have thoroughly enjoyed this dyno video of the COBRA TATE AC Cobra build, and yeah, what can I say? She was fantastic. Did drive her across Europe, and here's the video of that now. If you're wondering what the dyno figures were for this, we only revved it to 5,000 RPM. Could have gone 6.5, 7 at a push, but we revved it to 5,000. Kept a nice balance of idle and mid-range power, and we got at the flywheel. It was 191 torque or 194 torque, I think it was, and it was like 143 brake horsepower, which is cool. I was happy with that. It ran well, and it runs well, and it just feels just right inside the car. So good job, happy days. Keep watching till the end, and make sure you check out my full build playlist at the end of this video. Cool. Boom. Right, that's it, guys. There she is on the ferry, ready to go. Let's go, baby. Dunkirk. Start the car up, I guess. You are going to want to hear this cold start in this nice cold French December winter air. Let's go. Volumes up. Fuel pump on. Take out gear.
Stalled it.
That's a wrap, guys. Check out the full build. Type into YouTube if you want, or check out my channel, but type into YouTube Montani Racing Cobra Tate AC Cobra build, and you'll find the full playlist there from start to finish. Boom. See you in the next one. New videos every Sunday, 9 AM GMT. Make sure you hit that subscribe button now and turn on notifications and hype. Boom.
Tourner dans le